Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Svesper 61 key electric piano keyboard. This one is marketed for both beginners and professionals, and it comes with quite a few extras right in the box. First impressions on the build quality are pretty good. The description says it's made from high-quality, environmentally friendly ABS plastic, and it feels sturdy enough, especially considering it's designed to be portable. They also highlight that it's non-toxic and harmless, which is a big plus if you're getting this for a younger player. Now let's talk about the sound. The company mentions a France custom chip and multi-layer sampling technology. The goal is a more transparent sound, and honestly, for a keyboard in this category, the built-in dual speakers produce a surprisingly clear and pleasant tone. It definitely sounds better than some basic keyboards out there. The standout feature here has to be the 61 light-up keys. This is fantastic for beginners. Coupled with the powerful teaching mode and the included note stickers, it really makes learning visual and engaging. The description claims it can bring the touch and acoustic experience of a traditional piano, which might be a slight exaggeration for a non-weighted keyboard. But the keys feel responsive, and the light-up feature is genuinely helpful for following lessons or demo songs. Beyond the keys, you get a lot of features packed in. There's an LED display, which is standard but useful for navigating the 200 tones, 200 rhythms, and 60 demo songs. Having 200 of each gives you plenty to experiment with. What really sets this package apart is the included accessories. You don't just get the keyboard. It comes with a music stand, a keyboard stand, a microphone, and even a bench. Getting all of that in one package is incredibly convenient, especially for a beginner who might not have any of these items yet. It's described as portable, and while it's a 61 keyboard, it's relatively lightweight and easy to move around, making it suitable for taking to lessons or just moving from room to room. Considering it's aimed at all skill levels, the light-up keys and comprehensive accessory package make it particularly appealing for beginners. The sound quality is decent for the price point, and the sheer number of tones and rhythms offers room for exploration as you learn. It seems like a solid all-in-one package for someone starting their piano journey or looking for a feature-rich, portable keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.